mass of salt given is 0.06 gram and the volume of solution given is 100 milliliter. So to find a molarity, first we have to find the mole of solute, which is NaCl, salt. So we have to divide the mass with the molar mass. You will get 0.00103 mole. Now we can find the molarity. To find molarity, you have to divide the mole of solute divided by volume of solution. So 0.00103 divide with 0.1 liter. So you will get 0.0103 mole per liter.
Okay, so I would like to show you how to calculate the molality. Our group choose salt as our solute. So first we need to find the mole of solute. To do that, we need to divide it mass of solute, which is 0.06 gram, with molar mass of sodium chloride, which is 58.5 gram per mole, and then we will get the answer 0.00103 mole. After that, we can find the molality, which is the mole of solute divided with the mass of solvent that already changed to kilogram, and then we will get the answer 0.00954 mole kilogram -1.
Hi, so we're going to find out the percentage by mass in salt in Nescafe. So the first thing first, the formula for the percentage by mass is actually mass solute over mass solution. Excuse for my writing, just terrible today, in both in gram obviously, and multiple by 100%. Okay, so we already know both value, which is for the mass solute and also the mass solution. So we just need to substitute it. So for the mass solute is 0.06 gram, while for the mass solution is 108 gram. And multiply it by 100%, you'll get 0.06%. And that's the answer. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Sangamitra. Now we are in the part of calculating the mole fraction. As we know, the product we are using is Nescafe 3-in-1. So let's go. First of all, we have to make sure that we have identified all the vital details. Our solute here is salt with a mass of 0.06 gram. The solvent is water, but we don't know any information about it yet. The solution is Nescafe and the volume is 100 milliliter. Another thing that we should know is the density, which is 1.08 gram per milliliter. Let's move on to the steps. Step 1. Build a table with informations that we have. However, we have only two informations here. The volume of solution, which is 0.1 liter, and the mass of solute, which is 0.06 gram. Hence, now it's time to fill in the question marks. Moving on to step 2, where we have to find the formula. The formula is mole fraction is equals to the number of moles solute divided by the sum of number of mole of solute and the number of mole of solvent. According to the table we created, we need to find the number of moles for salt and water. In order to find the mole, we should calculate the mass of solution. Remember the density assay. That is what we are going to use here. To find the mass, we should multiply the density with volume, and the answer is 108 gram. Getting back to the table, let's fill up. The mass of solution is 108 gram and the mass of solvent is 107.94 gram, which can be obtained when we minus the mass of solute from the mass of solution. Proceeding to step 3. Now we need to find the number of moles for salt and water. The formula is mass divided by molar mass. At the end of the calculation, we get the number of moles for salt as 1.0256 times to 10 to power of negative 3, while for water as 5.9967 mole. Again, it's time to fill the table. Looks like we have got all details to calculate the mole fraction. Therefore, let's get into the final step, calculation of the mole fraction. At the end of the calculation, the answer we will get is 1.70998 times 10 to power of negative 4. That is all from me. Thank you.